You're working on your project and Claude Code suddenly hits its limits. This is the most disappointing thing. I feel it sometimes because your whole mood gets ruined and your flow state gets broken. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can vibe code without limits and get Claude Code credits for free. Let's get back to my PC screen. Here we are on the Claude Cloud website. If I scroll down, you can see the plans. The $17 one, the $100 one, and the $200 one, which is the max. The $17 one evaporates like nothing. In 2 to 4 tasks, it's all cleaned up, meaning 1 or 2 projects. And the $200 one is a lot for any student or beginner who wants to start working with code. So, here are some tricks by which you can get Claude credits. First is the Claude Code Hackathon, which is from February 10th to February 16th virtually, okay? Then there is Build India, Entropic, Replit, okay? This is India based. Then there is Claude Builder Club, and these were past hackathons. The newest one is the Claude Code Hackathon, which is from February 10th to 16th. You can register for it on, I will tell you in the next part of the video. Then I searched for alternatives to Claude Code like agents, etc. I found one, Ada. This is the best one, because for writing code in the terminal, you need 2 things. One is the LLM model and the second is the agent. Ada is an agent and we need a separate model to run it. I will tell you how to get that separate model too. So first of all, let's install Ada. Go into the PowerShell, open PowerShell. If you guys also encounter this red error, which does not allow you to run policies, you can run this command, okay? I will put all the details in the description. Now I have created a text file, which includes all the specific details, meaning the commands I need. First of all, we're going to make a different directory. Here is the directory I made, named Ada. Now next, install UV, which is ultra fast or ultraviolet, whatever, but it works very well. It's a combination of packages which executes Python quickly. Now, UV has been installed. Let's run this command. python-muv tool install dash force ada dash chat at latest, okay? Basically, it installs the latest version of Ada. I got an error because I forgot to add Python at the start, so I'm running the script again. Python-muv tool install dash force ada dash chat at latest. Now it will install all the required packages. There are 118 packages to install. Be patient until it installs. Now it has installed all the packages. Next, give it a model, okay? We need a model now. First of all, we need a free model. Nvidia hosts free models, meaning open source models, different models on their site. So let's go to Nvidia build. I am on the Nvidia site. Here you have to log in first, that's all. Then scroll down here, click on view all. Now you can see all the models hosted on Nvidia like Kimi K 2.5 GLM 4.7. These are models comparable to Opus 4.5, okay? You can see here on the screen the benchmark comparison of Opus and all the open source models. Opus 4.5 and Kimi K 2.5. We are going with Kimi K 2.5, which is just below Opus, okay? Click on View Code, then Generate API Key. Okay, here you can see you can get a new API key. Just copy it. Now we have to paste it in a different format in our CMD. Okay, zooming in here. Keep the API key in this format. $envIdia_API _KEY equals quote ... quote. Then your API key, okay? Then set the file encoding to ASCII. Later on, I am giving all the details in the description. Don't worry, hit enter. Now your Ada has its model, so now let's run Ada. I am running the command ada-model nvidia/moonshot-a I/kimi-k 2.5. Now it's running in our system. We need to create a GitHub repo. Going to create a GitHub repo, just click on enter Y. Okay, now it has created the repo. Now we are all good to go. We don't need any further documentation. No. What's new? No, I'm not interested. Now let's give it a task. I'm giving it a task like create a website for me, which will show where I can find Claude credits for free. Okay, this will be a good test for it. I'm giving it a basic task to check if the agent is working or not. Don't worry guys, don't give it your private files or SSH keys, because these are open source models, so they might look into your data. I'm just warning you, okay? Use it for general purposes. I entered the task and it started working. Giving this task to our agent. First of all, it thinks. Let's see how it works. I will show you the results after the code. Now the agent is coding, you can see that. It's something like Claude Code, okay? And don't worry, it's totally free. The model is hosted on Nvidia, so you do not have to worry about your data. But I definitely recommend not giving it access to your private files, okay? Or your private system. You can also have different models like GLM 4.7 or Minimax, DeepSeek V3, or any different models. Here is the API key format. Here is the Nvidia API key. You can see it here. To run the model, you have to enter this command to load the model for the agent. If you want a different command, you can use Gemini or ChatGPT to get commands for Linux or macOS. You can see our agent is coding here. Let's see how it goes at last. It works pretty fine. It has created lots of files. You can see here it has coded the whole website. It is asking for permissions. So, yes. Why? 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 Let me complete this first, guys. Why? 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 Create all the files. Create all the files. All the files have been created, and this is one way to get the API keys for free. If you want API keys for free, I already created a video dedicated on how you can create API keys for free. You can watch it via the I button, or I will put it at the end of this video on the end screen. Now let's look at how you can use different agents, not just Ada, but different ones. First of all, the second one is OpenHands. OpenHands seems largely like Ada, okay? But it's in SDK form. Another one is OpenCode, which is also like Ada, but I prefer Ada because it's superior to them. It exactly copies the Claude Code experience, okay? Our agent is still working. Let it work. All files have been created. So that's all, guys. Now I would like to tell you about the Hackathon website, okay? Let's move to that. Later on, I will show you the video results of the written code in Ada. This is the link for the hackathon. That is Cerebral Valley. You can register here if they select you. They basically ask lots of questions before selecting. It's from February 10th to February 16th, okay? You can apply. If you win, you are able to get 1 lakh credits for free. That's all. Next up is, if you want Claude Opus 4.5 for free, you can also use anti-gravity. I know Opus 4.6 is launched, Codex 5.2 is launched, but these are high-end models, okay, and their API cost is too much, mainly Opus 4.6. But in anti-gravity, you can use Opus 4.5 for free at certain limits, obviously. But there is much room here because the limits are very generous, okay? Then, you can see our agent is still working.
1 eternity later.
Now here are the final results of our agent, which we made. The Claude Code Free Credits Finder. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.